is here for sentencing. Prosecution and defense, was the pre-sentence investigation report timely made available to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
It was, Judge.
And Mr. Prysock, have you had the opportunity to read the report and discuss it with your client?
Yeah, Judge.
Do you have any additions, corrections, or challenges?
I do not.
Anything that you want the court to consider?
I would ask the court to consider sentence within the plea agreement. I know that the department is recommending 240 days in jail. I ask the court to consider a lesser sentence than 8 months, given the nature of the offense. I mean, realize, Judge, that case involves substance possession. She's got some prior possessions, but we're asking the court to consider a lenient sentence less than the 8 months recommended.
All right, thank you, sir. And Ms. Pena, have you had the opportunity to read the report and discuss it with Mr. Prysock?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any additions, corrections, or challenges?
No, sir.
Anything that you want to say on your own behalf?
Yes, sir. Being incarcerated, I miss my children's birthdays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and it's really made me realize that my selfish actions and choices have not just affected myself, but my loved ones, my mom, my children. Whatever sentence you deem or see fit, I'm grateful for. I'm really ready to just be the person that my family needs me to be, whatever that means, whatever I have to do.
Well, what do you think you need to do to put life of addiction behind you?
Stop making choices for myself and being selfish. I'm 30 years old and I've made enough choices for myself for an entire lifetime. I need to start thinking about the people that I'm hurting by making those selfish choices.
Is that going to be enough to get you to stop using controlled substances?
I would like to do substance treatment. I know I'm going to need a lot more than just that to remain sober. Since being in here, I've signed up for the neuro program that CMH has, and I'm doing my GED. It's going to be a lot of work, but I'm willing to do whatever it takes.
Why do you think that you use drugs?
Self-medicating. I have depression, PTSD. A lot of the times, drugs help even me out.
Have you been involved with community mental health before? Given you a suggested course of treatment?
Yes, sir.
Why haven't you followed that?
Medicaid issues, using, I wasn't keeping up with my DHS case or anything that I needed to do really, and it made it hard to continue doing my therapy and taking the medications that were prescribed to me.
Do you think you need those medications?
Yes, sir.
What sentence did you receive in Oceana County?
I have, it was 13 days credited and a 1.5 years probation, fines and costs as well.
Why do you think you got that sentence there?
I'm really not sure.
All right, and Ms. Robinson, any additions, corrections, or challenges?
No, Your Honor.
Anything that you want the court to consider?
Your Honor, I would ask the court sentence pursuant to the plea agreement. I believe it is important to note, I understand the defendant is indicating that she would like some sort of treatment. She is held currently, because she failed with this court's order in September, to attend Bear River. She failed to show up when she was arraigned on that bench warrant. Said she didn't show up, she didn't test because she was using. So I have concerns about her desire to actually go to treatment. It appears that it is really a desire to stay out of jail. So I would ask the court to take that into consideration and sentence pursuant to the plea agreement. Thank you.
All right, the court recognizes that the advisory guidelines in this case would suggest a sentence between 0 and 17 months. The courts can exercise my discretion, sentence consistent with the advisory guidelines, consistent with the plea agreement in this case, would be the sentence of the court that you serve 8 months in the Laredo County Jail. I'll give you credit for 86 days. The face sheet says 114, but I don't think that's correct. The inside sheet says 85, so we'll double check that. It's either 85 or 86 days. The court's going to place you on probation for 2 years. There is a $30 per month probation oversight fee for regular probation, $60 a month for electronic monitoring or tether. The areas that would be addressed during probation are those appearing as probable or highly probable under the core compass means scale. Yeah, Ms. Pena, you have a lot of work to do, and I think inpatient rehab is eventually going to be in your future, but you're going to serve this jail time first. You can make the best of that. The neurofeedback I hear helps people quite a bit. Hopefully, as long as you're in the jail, I know that you're not using, you're not going to overdose while you're out there. And hopefully you can develop a game plan to put this behind you. Your record is just complete with controlled substances, offenses. I'm guessing that Oceana County gave you basically 13 days because they knew that you were looking at an extended period of time here. That's what I'm thinking. But you can do it. But it's going to take every bit of willpower and all the resources you can muster to do it. I said it already, but there's a $68 state cost assessment, $130 crime victims' rights fund fee. Those assessments will be paid within 90 days of your release from jail. You do have the right to make application to continue your conviction sentence. If you can make a court attorney, if the attorney will put you on appeal, request for a lawyer must be filed with court within 42 days. You also have the right to petition the court for further discharge of probation if you successfully complete after